In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Word files to local PC in OneDrive. If Word has been saving your documents straight to the cloud, and you want a copy on your computer's hard drive for offline access or better control, this walkthrough is for you. Start by opening Microsoft Word. If Word is already open, you're all set. Next, either open a document from the recent list on the start screen or create a new blank document, whatever you want to save locally. Now look to the very top left corner of Word for the File tab. Click File to enter the Backstage view where all your save options live. Here, choose Save if the document already has a name, or pick Save, as if you want to choose a different place or create a separate copy. Save As is perfect when Word is pointing to OneDrive by default and you want to redirect it to your computer. In the Save or Save As panel, select this PC. This is the key step. This PC tells Word to save the file on your local drive instead of to OneDrive. You'll see a Browse button. Click Browse to open File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to the exact folder on your computer where you want the file to live. You can pick Desktop, Documents, or any custom folder you've set up. A quick tip, create a clear folder structure like Documents, Work, Reports, so your files are easy to find later. When you're in the right folder, move to the file name box and type a descriptive name. Keep it simple and searchable. Include a date or version number if that helps you track changes over time. Make sure the Save As type is set to Word document.docx, unless you need another format. Finally, click Save. Word will write the file to the location you chose on your computer. From now on, pressing Ctrl+S or using the Save button will update that same local copy. If you want to double-check, open File Explorer and confirm the document appears in that folder. That's it. You've opened Word, chosen your document, gone to File, selected Save or Save As, picked this PC, browsed to your folder, named the file, and saved. You now have a local copy on your PC with the flexibility to upload or sync it to OneDrive later if you choose.